Paycheck to paycheck isn't a life sentence, is it? It's a setting, a default mode, that you absolutely have the power to change. If you're truly fed up with that nagging, "I'll never get ahead" soundtrack looping in your head, then you've landed in the right place. Stick with me. Today, I'm not just talking theory. I'm handing you the exact, actionable blueprint, the step-by-step guide that flips that setting permanently. This isn't about magical thinking. It's about intentional action rooted in a powerful mindset shift. Here's a stark truth. 95% of Americans retire without enough to comfortably cover basic living costs. Think about that for a second. Yet, in that very same economy, the top 1% consistently doubles their fortunes. What's the real difference between these two groups? It's not luck, trust me. It's rarely about inheritance, though that certainly helps some. The profound difference lies in just 7 internal switches, flipped in a very specific, very deliberate order. I'm about to walk you through each one of these game-changing switches, and crucially, I'll give you the simple, daily habit that locks each one into place. Are you ready to stop wishing and start doing? Let's flip the first one. Most brains, and let's be honest, most of us, are hardwired from a young age to ask, "Who's hiring? Where can I find a job?" We're conditioned to trade our time for a wage, but millionaire brains, they operate on a different frequency. They ask, "What problem can I own the solution to?" This isn't about quitting your job tomorrow. It's about a fundamental shift in perspective. It's about understanding that true wealth is built by creating value, not just by receiving a paycheck. So, where do you start? Begin by carving out just one micro asset. Think small, think tangible. Maybe it's a digital product you create, a simple vending route you manage, or even just optimizing and renting out a spare room. The key is, it's something that pays you after the initial work is done. It's a tiny engine that starts generating income on its own. Your daily habit here is powerful. Spend a focused 30 minutes improving that asset before you even open your first email of the day. Seriously, before the world's distractions flood in, dedicate that precious time to building your future. This is where compounding truly begins. Not just with money, but with your focused effort, consistently paying dividends back to you. Scarcity thinking whispers, "Money is a pie, and you better grab your slice before it's all gone." It's a fear-based mentality that sees limits everywhere. Abundance thinking, on the other hand, boldly declares, "I can bake more pies." It's a creative, solution-oriented approach that understands wealth isn't a fixed commodity. It's constantly being created. This switch is about reframing your internal dialogue. Instead of automatically saying, "I can't afford it," challenge yourself to ask, "How can I create value equal to this price?" This simple shift is revolutionary. Your brain, an incredible problem-solving machine, will immediately start serving up answers and opportunities instead of tired old excuses. It moves you from a passive victim to an active creator. Your daily habit to ingrain this? Every single morning, write down 3 distinct ways you could earn an extra $1,000 this month. Don't censor yourself, just brainstorm. At first, it might feel like a stretch, but I promise if you do this consistently, that list will grow longer than your grocery list. And what follows? A significant increase in opportunity density. You'll start seeing possibilities everywhere. Let's be clear, wealth isn't just about how much you earn. It's the difference between what you own and what you owe. And then, here's the kicker, it's multiplied by time. If you shrink your financial timeline to just the next paycheck or the next month, you inevitably shrink your results. You limit your potential. True wealth builders think in decades, not days. This switch means adopting a long-term lens. Before every major spend, every significant investment, every financial decision, ask yourself, will this truly matter in 10 years? Or will it just be a forgotten fleeting pleasure? This question alone can save you from countless impulsive decisions and steer you towards choices that build lasting value. Here's your daily habit, and it's beautifully simple. Automate a transfer into a low-cost index fund the very day your salary lands in your bank account. Make it non-negotiable. Set it up once and let it run on autopilot. Trust me on this. 10 years of consistent automated investing beats trying to guess the next hot stock or timing the market every single time. It provides a quiet, steady growth that allows you to sleep well at night. We often equate a high income with being rich, don't we? But a $200,000 salary coupled with $200,000 in debt? That's not freedom. That's just a well-paid prisoner. True richness isn't measured by your income, but by the number of days you can go without needing a paycheck. It's about optionality, control, and peace of mind. This switch redefines your financial scoreboard. Instead of focusing on your gross income, measure your progress by your freedom number. This is your liquid net worth divided by your monthly expenses. It tells you exactly how many months or even years you could maintain your current lifestyle without working. Your daily habit here is to track that freedom number. Make it a simple, quick check. Watch those days grow. When they hit 4,645 days, that's roughly 13 years, you're officially work optional for life. Imagine that. The psychological power of seeing that number steadily climb, knowing you're building a fortress of financial independence, is incredibly motivating. We've all been there, right? Full of resolve on Monday morning, only for willpower to fizzle out by Wednesday. Willpower is a finite resource. It fades. Systems, however, don't. This switch is about recognizing that your environment and your established routines are far more powerful than sheer grit. Design your financial environment so that the default choice, the path of least resistance, is always the wealthy choice. For instance, set your checking accounts to automatically split your income. 60% for lifestyle expenses, 20% for investing, 10% for giving back because generosity attracts abundance, and a crucial 10% for an opportunity fund. This way, you're always paying yourself first and then paying your future. Your daily habit. Every morning during breakfast, take less than 2 minutes to review yesterday's spending. No judgment, just data. Look at it objectively. Where did the money go? This isn't about shaming yourself. It's about gathering information to tweak your system, not to criticize yourself. The system is the problem solver, not your fluctuating willpower. Relying on one income stream is like walking a tightrope. One wrong step, one economic downturn, one unexpected job loss, and everything can come crashing down. But building 5 income streams, that's like constructing a sturdy bridge. It offers security, stability, and multiple pathways to cross any financial chasm. This switch is about actively mapping your skills and resources to create multiple revenue channels. Think about it. Your day job, a freelance skill you can monetize, dividend stocks generating passive income, rental income from a physical asset, or even digital royalties from something you created once. Your daily habit. Dedicate the first 45 minutes after dinner, every single evening, to building your newest income stream. Work on it diligently until it consistently earns $500 a month. Once it hits that milestone, systemize it, automate what you can, and then, and only then, move on to start building the next stream. This focused, consistent effort transforms your financial landscape. Let's be honest, courses alone don't cut it. Reading books, watching videos, that's just information. Your bank account grows not when you acquire knowledge, but when that knowledge meets action. This switch is about understanding that true learning happens in the arena, not just the classroom. Adopt the 70-20-10 rule for your personal and financial growth. 70% implementation, actually doing the thing. 20% mentorship, learning from those who've already done it. And just 10% in the classroom, consuming information. Your daily habit for this one is simple, yet incredibly powerful. At 9 p.m. every night, write one single sentence that starts with, "Today I applied." Force yourself to articulate how you put something into practice. Keep that streak alive. Because applied knowledge isn't just interesting, it's the only kind that actually pays interest in your life and in your bank account. Alright, if one of these switches just lit a serious light bulb in your mind, if you felt that aha moment, then do me a favor. Hit that like button. Seriously, click it. It tells the algorithm to show this vital information to someone else who might still be stuck in the dark, struggling paycheck to paycheck. And if you're ready to really commit to this journey, subscribe and turn on notifications. Remember, wealth rewards speed of implementation, and I'm here to keep you moving forward. You've got the 7 switches. Now let's make them a tangible part of your life. Print out these 7 switches on a single sheet of paper. Yes, actual paper. And then tape it inside your wardrobe door or on your bathroom mirror, somewhere you'll see it every single day. Each morning, as you start your day, look at that list. Pick the switch that feels weakest, the one where you feel you're currently falling short. Then, commit to nailing its daily habit before noon. That's it. Just one focused effort on your weakest link. This isn't about perfection, it's about consistent, targeted improvement. Stacking these small, intentional wins compounds into massive assets far faster than chasing some elusive windfall ever will. This is how real, sustainable wealth is built, brick by brick, habit by habit. There's a stealthy enemy lurking out there, and it goes by the name of lifestyle creep. It masquerades as a well-deserved reward for all your hard work. You get a raise, you immediately upgrade your car, your house, your daily latte, and just like that, your expenses rise to meet your income, sometimes even exceeding it. You're back to square one, just at a higher income level. Fight back against this insidious trap by capping your fun money at a fixed dollar amount. This isn't about deprivation, it's about strategic allocation. That fixed amount should only rise with new passive income, not with your salary bump. Think about that. Your lifestyle upgrades are funded by money that works for you, not by more of your active labor. This simple rule keeps the gap between your earning and spending widening on autopilot, which is the true engine of wealth creation. Life happens. Markets crash, jobs vanish, tenants unexpectedly leave. These aren't just possibilities, they're eventualities. This is why you need an emergency override. Keep a robust 12 months of living expenses, yes, a full year, in a high-yield savings account. Label it clearly, Opportunity Fund. This isn't just about survival, it's about psychological advantage. Studies show that people with this kind of financial buffer actually invest more aggressively during economic downturns. While everyone else is panic selling, you're strategically buying assets at a discount, accelerating your recovery gains instead of succumbing to fear. This fund doesn't just protect you, it empowers you to play offense when others are playing defense. Here's a tough pill to swallow. You invariably adopt the average mindset, the average income, and the average habits of the 5 people you text most frequently. Your social circle is a powerful, often subconscious force shaping your financial destiny. If your friends constantly complain about money or glorify consumerism, that's going to rub off. This switch is about intentional association. Actively seek out and join one mastermind group, an online forum, or a local meetup where discussions about net worth, investments, and business growth are normal, not taboo. Surround yourself with people who inspire you to think bigger and achieve more. Your daily micro-habit, share one insightful takeaway or a new idea from that group in your existing chat with your close friends. You're not preaching, you're teaching. This reinforces your own ownership of the information and quietly signals your new trajectory, potentially inspiring those around you. Remember that freedom number we talked about? The 4,945 days to being work optional? Let's put some real numbers to it, because this is where it gets exciting. Investing just $500 a month, consistently, into a diversified portfolio earning a conservative 7% annual return, hits that perpetual work optional status in roughly 13 years. Think about the profound implications. If you start this at 25, you could be financially free by 38. Start at 35, and you're still only 48. Time, my friends, is the real, irreplaceable asset in this equation. The sooner you start, the less you have to save, and the faster you achieve true financial independence. Don't let another day slip by. The millionaire mindset isn't just about you. It's heritable. It's a legacy you can pass down. Imagine giving your children not just a head start, but a full-blown launchpad into adulthood. Here's how. Open a custodial index fund for each child at birth. Fund it consistently with birthday checks, holiday money, and even a portion of your side hustle cash. By the time they turn 18, they won't be saddled with student debt. They'll have a substantial financial foundation, a powerful lesson in compounding, and a true sense of financial agency. And for your partner? Spouses on the same financial page don't just double their wealth. They often triple household wealth through synergy and shared goals. Schedule a non-negotiable 15-minute money date every Sunday night. No phones, no distractions, just you, your partner, your numbers, and your shared dreams. This consistent alignment is a wealth accelerator. Okay, here's the ultimate litmus test, the final pressure test of your current financial reality. Ask yourself this. If my employer walked in today and handed me a 10-year severance package, effective immediately, would I celebrate or would I panic? If the answer deep down is panic, then you know exactly what you need to do. Rerun this entire blueprint starting from switch 1 tonight. Freedom isn't some elusive lottery ticket. It's a meticulously crafted checklist. And you, my friend, just heard every single item on it. The knowledge is yours, now comes the doing. So there you have it. 7 powerful switches, 7 simple daily habits, all leading to one incredible outcome. Money working tirelessly for you, instead of you constantly working for money. This isn't a quick fix. It's a profound transformation. Don't try to flip all 7 switches at once. That's overwhelming. Instead, pick the weakest switch, the one that resonated most deeply with you today, and commit to applying its daily habit before your head hits the pillow tonight. Stack those days, watch the small actions compound, because I promise you, with this blueprint, the math will absolutely do the heavy lifting for your future. Drop a comment below right now with the switch you're committing to flipping first. That public commitment, it doubles your follow-through. And if this video sparked something in you, if it gave you a fresh perspective, share it with that friend who always says, "Oh, it must be nice." Today we've proved that nice isn't random. It has a formula. Hit subscribe, master this mindset, and I'll see you on the freedom side of the timeline.